What if success doesn't come from a big transformation? What if it comes from something so small you barely notice it? Just 1% improvement every day. In Japan, there is a simple idea: small improvements, repeated daily, create extraordinary results. And the truth is, this works for anyone. Most people fail, not because they lack talent, but because they try to change everything at once. They set massive goals: wake up at 5, work out daily, read books every week, and within a few days, they quit. Not because they are weak, but because the change was too big. The Japanese approach is different. Don't chase big transformation. Chase small improvement. 1% better today, 1% better tomorrow. It looks small, almost useless, but repeated daily, it becomes powerful. Imagine reading just 2 pages a day. It feels meaningless. But in 1 year, you've read an entire library. The same applies to everything: exercise, skills, money, confidence. Small actions compound into big results. The biggest mistake people make is underestimating consistency. They want instant results, but real growth is invisible at first, like a seed underground. Nothing seems to happen until suddenly, everything changes. Successful people understand this. They don't chase motivation. They trust the process. They focus on today's small improvement, not tomorrow's big reward. Because every small step compounds. Here's something most people never realize. Small habits don't just change your actions. They change your identity. When you read every day, you become a reader. When you exercise every day, you become disciplined. And when you think long-term, you stop chasing shortcuts. Because success is not what you do once, it is what you do repeatedly. The Japanese rule of 1% improvement teaches a simple truth. You don't need to change your life overnight. You only need to be slightly better than yesterday. And if you stay consistent, your future self will thank you. Subscribe to Velmora Wisdom for more timeless wisdom and self-improvement lessons.